In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use stylish fonts in your Instagram bio. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, then click on the option Edit Profile. Head towards your bio, click on it and copy it. Now close this, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to this website. Now scrolling down here, you're going to find this option Instagram fonts. Click on that. Now here, you can select the category, aesthetic, cute, bold, fancy, symbols or cool. Set it, then you can paste your text over here. Your text will be converted into different font styles. Just scroll down and check out and select the one that you want to set for your Instagram bio. Just copy it. So I'm going to copy this one. Now I can close this, launch your Instagram, navigate to the bio page, remove this old bio and then paste the new one and click on done and head back. So this way you are able to use stylish fonts in your Instagram bio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.